Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to transform this small bedroom into a gorgeous luxury one. Okay guys, this is the before, now's the after. This is a video collab with LifeWit. And you know guys, I work a lot. I don't work a lot of days, but I work long hours. So before I go to work, I always pack up all my food because I work mostly on weekend. I try the best of me to stay away from fast food. I have my protein, my vegetable, and my fruit. I know exactly what I'm eating because I don't want to intake no more than 1200 calories per day. This bag is super large. You can use it to add a variety of stuff inside of it. You can use it for picnics or other stuff, but me, I need it for work only for now. So later on I might use it to go to other places with my boys. Okay guys, let's get to work. Most of the time I use king size sheet. Don't get me wrong guys, my mattress is deep, so whenever I put the regular queen size, the fitted sheet doesn't fit well. I don't like it, and I like to tuck it under the mattress, so whenever I fall asleep or something, the bed stay nicely. So that's my preference. I had them home anyway because my previous bed was a king size bed, so I might as well use them. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching.
Say a do to make you stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
This is a finished look, guys. Let me know what you think if you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and share it.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.